Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Tom, and today I'm doing something a little different. A lot of you have been asking about my daily life, how I stay productive, and what my schedule looks like. So I thought, why not take you through a typical day with me? Let's pull back the curtain and dive into my daily routine. It all starts bright and early at 7 a.m. The first alarm goes off, and honestly, the snooze button is tempting. But I've found that getting up right away makes a huge difference. The very first thing I do is make my bed. It's a small win, but it sets a positive, organized tone for the entire day. It's like telling my brain, okay, we're ready to be productive. From there, it's straight to the bathroom for the usual morning ritual, washing my face to wake myself up and brushing my teeth. It's these simple habits that get me feeling fresh and ready to tackle whatever's next. By 7:30, it's time for what might be my favorite part of the morning, breakfast. For me, it's all about simplicity and fuel. I'll brew a fresh cup of coffee. The smell alone is enough to get me going, and usually have some toast or maybe some oatmeal. I try to take this time to just sit and enjoy the quiet before the workday chaos begins. It's a moment of calm that really helps me gather my thoughts. Having a good breakfast makes me feel energized and mentally prepared. Without it, I just don't feel like myself. At 8 a.m. sharp, it's time to head to work. I'm lucky that my commute isn't too long. My workday is pretty dynamic. I work in an office environment, and most of my day is spent at my desk on the computer. I'm part of an amazing team, so there's a lot of collaboration. We're constantly talking, brainstorming ideas in meetings, and working together to solve problems. I really enjoy the social aspect of my job and the feeling of contributing to a team goal. Helping my colleagues and seeing our projects come to life is incredibly rewarding. Then comes the midday refuel at 12 o'clock. Lunch is a non-negotiable break for me. I step away from my screen and really focus on my meal. A typical lunch for me is a balanced plate of rice, some grilled chicken for protein, and a big side of salad for all those good nutrients. And of course, I make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. This break is so important, not just for physical energy, but for a mental reset. It helps me avoid that afternoon slump and come back to my desk feeling refreshed and focused for the second half of the day. The afternoon is usually when I buckle down and get into some deep work. After my lunch break, I feel recharged and ready to tackle more complex tasks. I'll power through my to-do list until 5 o'clock rolls around. Finishing work on time is a big priority for me. It's all about that work-life balance. As soon as I'm done, I pack up and head home, officially switching from work mode to relax mode. The transition is key. Once I'm home, it's all about unwinding and decompressing. This is my me time. What I do can change depending on my mood. Some days I'll just crash on the couch and binge watch a new series on TV. Other days, I'll put on some good music and just chill out. And if I'm feeling like I need a little escape, I'll grab a book and get lost in a different world for a while. This period of relaxation is crucial for my mental health. It's how I shed the stress of the day and recharge my social and emotional batteries. Dinner is usually around 7 p.m., and I like to keep it simple and healthy. It's also a really important time for connection. I'll sit down and eat with my family, and we'll just talk. We share stories about our day, what went well, what was challenging. It's a wonderful way to reconnect with each other and just be present. These conversations are often the highlight of my evening. It reminds me what's truly important. As the night winds down, I start my bedtime routine around 9 o'clock. I'll take a nice, warm shower to relax my muscles and signal to my body that it's time to sleep. Then, one last brush of the teeth, and I'm ready for bed. I try to be in bed by 10 p.m. Getting a full night's sleep is the foundation of everything. It affects my mood, my productivity, and my overall health. So, that's it. That's a full day in my life. It's a simple, structured routine, but it works for me. It keeps me grounded, productive, and happy. It's not about having a super exciting or dramatic day, but about finding joy and purpose in the small, consistent habits. What does your daily routine look like? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and spending the day with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.